Royal Play Equipment is excited to introduce a Duck Spring Rider, product code PSR12, a delightful outdoor play equipment specially designed for young children aged 2 to 5 years. With dimensions of 2 feet in length, 1.3 feet in width, and a height of 2.5 feet, this spring rider is ideal for playgrounds, providing a safe and engaging ride experience for little ones. Our Duck Spring Rider comes in 2 vibrant color options, an eye-catching aqua blue and a fun magenta. Each model is equipped with 2 sturdy handles on either side of the duck's head, allowing kids to hold on comfortably and securely while they play. Designed for one child at a time, this product ensures safety and stability with its well-constructed, all-weather resistant build. Made from non-toxic, food-grade colors, our Duck Spring Rider is not only visually appealing but also reliable and safe. With a perfect design that's easy for kids to use, this play equipment combines safety, durability, and fun, making it a fantastic addition to any playground.